But best pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo. Can you just please, both of you, stop with your fucking bomb joke in social media? You know, bomb joke, best pills, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo, that will cause panicking. You threaten to destroy both of you threaten to destroy cities, multiple cities in Davao. Best pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asejo. That is my hometown, Davao City. There is my friend there, Paulo Cuba, and Zari, his uncle, who were in Davao City. Joseph Maspina's hometown is in Davao City. Oh, Jeric Silva, even Sir Calvin Cuevas, who lives in Davao City. That was his hometown with his relatives. Davao City. Even Davao City, that was a hometown of former President Rodrigo Duterte. You know, best pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo, we have anti-bomb joke law. Enough about your saying about your stupidity, even your fucking bomb joke law in social media. That is a crime, best pills. Arnel Guerrera Castillo, why are you saying about the bomb joke? What the fuck, best pills? Arnel Castillo. You know, bomb joke, you should never supposed to say that in social media. Even you threaten to harass teacher May Tiburcio, best pills, Arnel Castillo, even teacher Marisa Conche, even teacher JD De Chavez, Shania Kiana, and even even teacher Freddy May Marasab Silos, even teacher Rina Nebres, teacher Isa Vancula, that was a girlfriend of teacher Vince. And you include the other person, Michelle D, Amalia Zakirova, the Miss Grand Uzbekistan 2023, Miss Universe Philippines 2023, Michelle D. And you included the Mina Suchoy and Rita Ziri. Even those two beauty queens of Miss Earth title holders. Best pills, Arnel Castillo, you are banned in Davao City. Don't even threaten to destroy my hometown, Davao City. Quezon City is no longer my hometown. My hometown is in Davao. If you threaten to destroy the house of Bogart Explorer in Davao City, would you ever to destroy Davao City, best pills? Don't even destroy the Davao City, best pills. Even Ben Tulfo's house in Davao City. Even Rafi Tulfo's house in Davao City, best pills. Arnel Castillo. You know, best pills, I had enough about your bomb joke, even you, Gina Sejo. Even both of you are saying bomb joke in social media. That's not good. Please stop this bomb joke, best pills. Arnel Castillo and Gina Sejo. Be ashamed. Both of you should be ashamed of yourselves. Including Victor Martin Soriano, aka Harbratera, who stole the Itbulaga logo and he makes war tapping in the Eat Bulaga logo. Not even just that, even including this idiot named Movie Chaser, Nathan Clarin, who is making against TVJ. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asejo. Enough, both of you should enough about your saying bomb joke. People there are very angry at both of you. Don't both of you don't know about the anti-bomb joke law, Presidential Decree 1727? Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo. If you're in Japan, Gina Sejo, if you're in Japan, in Tokyo, would you ever to say a bomb joke there? In Osaka, Nagoya, would you ever to say that, Gina Sejo? You were in Japan, Gina Sejo, you making a bomb joke there? It's illegal there, Gina Sejo. Even you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you were in Mindoro and you're making a crappy those pathetic fucking bomb joke. It is not really good to say. I say to both of you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo, please stop with this bomb joke. I do not care about a bomb joke anyway. Bomb joke is not a joke. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo. Look at my friend Ralph Guevara. Ralph Guevara had never say bomb joke in the school, in CDIFI. He says about in Tagalog words, sasabukin ko ang CDIFI, he never says a bomb joke, but he already stopped, My friend Ralph Guevara never to say a bomb joke, me, I never say a bomb joke, when I made the jokes with John Mendoza, when we said it, there's a dynamite, IED, he's making a joke, John Mendoza and I, we're making a joke, But me, I never want to make a bomb joke in the public. Even in the SM malls, even in Naiya Airport, even aside of Naiya Airport, in SM Grand Central, I never to say a bomb joke, Even in other place, in Victory Mall, I never to say a bomb joke. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo, please, both of you, just stop with your bomb joke. That bomb joke or anti-bomb joke law, we have in the law. Hi, Best Pills.